May buntag mga pre. Kape. Nakalimot. Kalimot ko. Saan? Kape mga pre. May buntag. This is Honey. Welcome to Fat Honey. Okay. Ako lang sa karon kay Fat is having her rest day. Like, she's lying on bed actually. And what I'm gonna do today is about a guy thing. Okay. So I'm going to unbox some upgrades of our Cafe Racer 152 Keeway. Okay. So I have some stuffs in here. So it came from two stores, okay, in which there's 4 items actually. So I already opened it. Here, but okay. So this small pouch came from bak.ph. So it's like back.ph, okay, and the bigger one came from USZPJ. Okay, so let's start our unboxing. Okay, let's start with the smaller one. All right, put this aside first. We get scissor. Okay, so let's have our first item. Okay. So as we know that our motorcycle Keeway 152 Cafe Racer, so it's like a classic thing, right? So dagang kitang ipang upgrade. I mean, it's up to you guys if you want some upgrades or as is lang, but it's also nice nga let's have a little upgrade. So these items are not really expensive. Okay, so it came from Shopee. So of course I already checked the reviews on it, so totally it's good actually. So let's check if the items that I got from Shopee or those stores are really good, in good condition. Okay, so let's have the first thing. Open bubble. Okay, first item, this one. So this is called thermal wrap. Okay, so the use of this is to wrap your tambutso, what we call exhaust. Okay, so first thing, gonna put into water, they said, and then so that the feathers, like itchy feathers, could not touch your skin because it's really itchy, they said. And well, according to the other blogs, so you need to put first into water before we're gonna use it. Okay, so this is a thermal wrap, okay, for our exhaust. Okay, so this thermal wrap that costs 149 pesos only. Okay, that's really cheap because if you're gonna buy this into other stores such as Facebook or local stores in here, so it costs like 350 pesos, but I got this for 149 pesos. Okay, way cheaper. And it's 5 centimeter, no, sorry, 5 meters. Okay, next one we have here. Okay, this one, grill light, or let's say a classic headlight grill. Okay, so it's 6.5 inches and 160 millimeters, I think so. Millimeters. So there's another upgrade to make your headlight for your cafe racer or motorcycle look cool, right? And it's made of metal. Yeah, it's really sturdy and very tough. I think so. Really good. Unit price this into the local market around 500-600, they said, but you know what? So I'm really surprised because I got this for only 179 pesos. Okay, so it's very cheap, right? So you can put some X in your headlight as well, and also put this one, but it's okay, it's up to you. Okay, so again, so 179 pesos. It's metal, very tough. I think it's really durable. It's worth it, I think so. Okay, so these two, thermal wrap and also with headlight grill. So I mean the total cost of these two for 442 pesos. That's included of shipping fee. Really cheap, right? Okay, later, so I'm gonna post it I'm gonna post it down below so that you can have your if you want to check the website or the shop that I got this from, so at least you have a reference, right? So that's our first two items. So let's check the other pouch. This one, the bigger one. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so this pouch came from Swider set QSZPJ. Yeah. Right, open it. Okay, first item, you got this one. This is a motorcycle hooks, or yeah, actually it's like a 6 hooks. It's like a rope, like something in which you can use this to put your helmet on, yeah, for your extra helmet into the back part of your motorcycle. But I'm gonna use this to put into my tank. Okay, let's try later if it will gonna fit. Okay, so it's like a garter, so it's stretchable. So I think, yeah, it's good enough. So I'm gonna put this into my tank. So at least my motorcycle will gonna look a little cooler again. Okay, with this one. So this one costs only 40 pesos. Okay, very cheap. Local store 120, 100. Yeah. So very cheap. Okay, second one we have here. So these are. These are motorcycle bullet signal lights. So I got two. So one box has a pair in it, 2 pieces inside and 2 pieces. So 4 total. 2 pairs. One from the front, and then one at the back. Okay. It's really cheap actually. So it costs only 148 pesos per box. I mean, that's pair already. Okay, let's check. Well, that's really good, I think so. It's heavy, actually. I think it's made of metal. Here you go. This too. Second one. I think it's good. Yeah. No scratches. No broken edges. All set good. Hopefully that it will work later. So later on I'm gonna show you the installation of the these things. Okay. But it's only good actually. Hope it will work later. And I think showy na kayo niya nga to ang mga motor mut ani mga bike. Mga bike. So barato ra. It's very cheap. So that's all. 4 items. I think 5 in total because signal lights it comes with 2. Okay. So very cheap. So I'm gonna put the link below. So just check at the prices. Well, if you have, so that you can have a reference. Okay. So that's for it. So let's check the installation. Okay. See ya. guys, mo ni siya ang this brother. So grill, headlight, bullet, signal light, and then we have also the thermal wrap in here. Yes, and yep, for 40 pesos. Actually, napay mas barato ano 25. So only 25 pesos. Then I put some additional this one from Shopee gapon siya by guys. So was not able to unbox this one. So I'll just put the link below lang about the price. Then yeah, it's durable. It's it's okay. It's also actually this one, the belt medyo nipis lang siya gamay, so pahugtan pa siya. Okay, so that's our yeah, forgot, we have here this one, the far end side mirror. Okay, so that's all for today.